Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is a amazing day. I've waited to do this forever. Today is September 20th. It's 6:51. About to head over to Animal Kingdom right now and start my 6 parks in one day journey. I've wanted to do this forever. Go to all 4 Disney World parks and both Disneyland parks in the same day, and we're going to try to make that accomplished today. Animal Kingdom opens at 8 a.m. We're about an hour and 10 minutes out from that. So we're going to be doing that to Magic Kingdom, to Epcot, to Hollywood, to the airport, to Disney California Adventure, and then to Disneyland. So this video will be all the stuff that happens behind the scenes, because the rest of it's live streamed. I'm live streaming all of it. And but when we're at the airport, stuff like this, I'll be vlogging it. So every aspect is covered on today's journey. I'm very excited. I hope you guys are. Let's get to it. Hey, you. Wave. All right, we're all almost ready. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. We'll get everybody up early. I was just reviewing what I just said. Shelly's like, "Did you just say rubber?"
I just out early.
I woke everybody up early. Alright, we're about to leave. Oh my gosh, the sun this morning. It's in the road. I didn't sleep much last night. Don't get excited about a lot. Excited? Excited?
Words are extra hard today.
Yeah, they're so this is going to take me about, let's see, so it's 7:25 right now. And by the time I wrap up tonight, it'll be 3 a.m. here. So, 20-hour day? It's not bad. It's a nice, simple day. Yeah.
Take a nap on the plane.
Is that how it works? You take a nap on the plane? How do you do that? You can't watch your movies. I watch movies on plane. That's when I catch up on my movie time. So I don't sleep on an airplane. Alright. Here we are, Animal Kingdom. Timestamp 7:34 in the morning. And I'm just getting pick up and drop off. I'll see you guys at Hollywood Studios. I'll see you in a little bit. Alright. Don't wake up, brother.
A few moments later.
Welcome back, everybody. It's been a day with 5-hour stream, all 4 parks. Even saw by the Polynesian, saw the inside of the Contemporary. Hi, Tanner. You awake now?
Yeah.
Okay. BB? See, we got some delivery here. We got some Chick-fil-A.
Oh, here.
And a Monster. And some Sour Patch Kids. Okay, so I'm ready to go. All right. Oh, and a spare gimbal, because mine decided to play a little game on me during the People Mover. Pretty much it just went every way it wanted. It was, yeah. So I'm going to bring a spare one with me on the trip. You doing good? You get some Chick-fil-A too?
Yeah, I also got these freeze-dried gummy worms.
Freeze-dried gummy worms?
Yeah.
We'll have to talk about that. Either way, wonderful day. Got to meet up with Soul 3 Media. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, he was just here. And right at the end of the stream, I love meeting up with him. Such a great conversation every time. And yeah.
Oh, she got a Bluey and a bingo.
Okay, so today, you know, we all got something. I go to the parks, and she got Bluey and bingo. Okay. You guys having fun now?
Yep.
Shelly.
Yeah.
All the 12-ounce candles are sold.
They sold out in
less
10
than
minutes.
less than an hour. The new 12-ounce banana bread candles are all sold out.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Well, I guess we need to order more.
I guess we.
So you guys like 12 ounce?
Yeah. So you like
We didn't know.
2-wick 12-ounce candles is where it's at. All right, you focus on driving. I'll focus on this part, and I'm gonna eat now, and I'll see you guys when we get to the airport. Hi, Allie. Oh, you sleeping? She's sleeping. She did have to get up early. I mean, you got up early too, but he's just like there. I got free tries to get gummy worms. All right, I'll see you guys at the airport. 1:48, and we arrived at the airport. Through security and everything, been kind of walking around for a moment. Got my Sour Patch Kids. flight's essential right there. I just picked up a Smart Water and a Monster, and now we're just waiting for our flight. I've been kind of wandering around, just kind of looking at stuff. We got about 40 minutes till boarding. Got a pretty cool seat. They upgraded me to 15F. Flying Delta from Orlando to LAX. 4:20 departure. 4:24, whatever it is. And then arrival is 6:30. Traffic right now looks pretty decent over there. Angela, travel with Angela. You guys might have seen her in the description below. She's over in LAX right now. She just told me the airport's pretty quiet and everything. She's leaving LAX as we're flying there. So we got people everywhere, so we always know what's going on. What kind of wait times do we got over at LA traffic? So I'm gonna drink this because this smells good. And yeah, I ate some Chick-fil-A on the way here. Delicious. Oh my god, I don't know what it was about Chick-fil-A today, but like it wasn't too crunchy or crispy or whatever. Pretty good. Coda's already on his way back. Janelle's already in California, so we're gonna meet up with them later tonight, possibly. Oh, I know I'm gonna meet up with Coda. Janelle might be tired. It'll be past her bedtime. So yeah, now we just wait and listen to music. I'm gonna put my headphones in, jam out some music, and play around on Instagram a little bit. Jet bridge, let's go to California. All right, about 25 minutes until we're supposed to take off. We're doing great. It's a pretty decent view right here. We're in seat 15F. What movie am I gonna watch? This is when I catch up on the movies. When people ask me when's the last time you watch a movie, it's on the airplane. Ooh, John Wick Ballerina. Done. I already know I'm watching that for sure. I'm gonna watch the new live action Lilo and Stitch. And if there's any time left, the new Mission. Ooh, I don't know. I might watch the new Mission Impossible movie. We'll do it on the way back home. I'm gonna get my movies started. Maybe we can sneak in 4-hour, 45-minute flight. So we're only gonna get the 2 movies. So Ballerina, Lilo and Stitch. And we are in California. It's 6:30 p.m. We have 2.5 hours to make it across town to Disneyland and get into the California Adventure before they close tonight. I'm sorry, I'm walking really fast. Woo! Alright, so I gotta catch a shuttle out to the Uber Lyft pickup area, and then we gotta get it all the way over to the hotel, drop the bag off, and then go to California Adventure. Flight was smooth. I watched the Ballerina John Wick movie. I liked it. You know, it's a John Wick movie. But I watched Mission Impossible because I was like, I can't watch like Lilo and Stitch after watching that. It was a little a lot unrealistic. Otherwise, not super smooth flight, very comfortable. Nobody sitting in next to me during the whole flight. I don't know how I keep doing that. It makes Shelly so irritated. She's like, how do you always get the crew, my bus here? No, not yet. But she's always like, how do you always get those spots? I don't know. So, yeah, sorry, just motivated. As soon as we get over there, I think we get to the hotel around 7:15, 7:40. There's no traffic. And then somewhere in there. And then should be at Disney California Adventure by 8 o'clock. That's my hope. Let's find out. Made it to the Uber and Lyft location. I got a Lyft picking me up. It's going to be $79 and $99 to go all the way to the hotel right now. It's currently 7:02. Made it to the room, as you can see here. It's 7:57 right now. I gotta get going. My Uber driver decided to do 5 under the entire way here, and then on top of that, missed the hotel, and I don't know where we were gonna go. I don't know where we're going, so. Woo! Alright, you know, when you're pressed for time, it's just a thing. We have an hour until Disney California Adventure closes. The LAX Uber bus came by and then just left and like didn't really pick us up. So like we missed that bus, and then I had to wait another 10 plus minutes, and then another bus came. Yeah, took a while to get here, but we're here now, and I'm just kind of in my own head right now. But I'm gonna get my bag all set up and head to the park, and I'll see you guys after, and we'll talk more about the day when I get back. Well, hello everybody. It is currently 1:04:05 in the morning. 21 and a half hours. Yeah, been awake. Had to go to the store, pick up my sleep aid. Yeah, I haven't had one of those since and then we went and got Carl's Jr. Dude, this is so good. Big shout out to my dude, Coda Bear the Explorer. Take me over to Carl's Jr. tonight. I'm excited to eat this. What a day, though, everybody. From Florida to California. And it's been 22. We'll just call it 22 hours. Started out in the morning, Animal Kingdom, rode Navi River, walked around the park. We got on a bus, went to the Polynesian. Rode the monorail over to Magic Kingdom, rode the People Mover, and walked around Magic Kingdom. And then went to Epcot by the monorail. Got over to the monorail. We rode. We were gonna do Test Track, but then Test Track was down, so we did Grand Fiesta Tour. And then we watched Voices of Liberty, which was very cool. Then we walked out of the park, went over to the Skylinered over to Hollywood, walked around the park, rode Smuggler's Run, called it from there. Of course, video portion you guys seen here. And then we went to Disney World, or Disneyland, and went to the California Adventure, walked around. Oogie Boogie Bash is all set up right now, so it looks really cool. And let's see. And we rode Mermaid because I knew it would be a walk-on, and we only had a couple minutes. So Mermaid. Then we went over to Disneyland. Good thing we did, because Disneyland line to get into the park was a little busy. Got in, watched fireworks, went and rode Pirates. Went back to Main Street, watched Paint the Night, and then rode the sweeper train at the end of the night. Talk about a day. 6 different Disney parks in one day, and I felt like it was just like, that was awesome. I don't know. I've waited forever to do this, and it was everything. It was really, yeah. It was cool. And now I got this double Western burger, right? And I got to celebrate 6 parks with my dude Kodo. Like, it was a great day. And you can do. I can do 24 hours. It's not a problem. But I'm sitting down now, and it is kicking. And I'm not allowed to sit down when I'm tired, because then the eyes don't stay open. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna get some sleep. We're gonna go back to Disneyland tomorrow and enjoy all the other things like the Royal Theater, one of my personal favorite shows, and Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, and Alice. But man, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog of everything that happened behind the scenes from the live stream. So watch the live streams. Down in the description below, I'll have the 2-part live stream so you guys can watch those. And then, you know, the vlog, which is going to be all the stuff like checking into the hotel room, all the other things that happen outside. I know I had a question about the flight here, and I took Delta. The reason I take Delta is I have points. No, I did not pay to sit in Delta Comfort Plus. I am longtime Delta flyer, I guess you would call them, and so the status just allows. I got the complimentary upgrade, and then the room is the DoubleTree down the street. I literally walked to the park in less than 20 minutes today, so that's why I stay here all the time, and it was pretty cheap. Total for the stay is $600. And I think the flights round trip wound up being $260 or $83. I know it's $63 or $83 for round trip tickets too. So worth it. Worth the 6 parks in one day. Worth it. Still got HHN tomorrow at Universal Hollywood, and then Oogie Boogie Bash this week. We got a lot going on, and then Janelle and Tanya will be here as well. So it's like. It's a whole bunch of things happening in 1 week. It's pretty awesome. So I'm going to get this eye closed because it keeps trying to close on me. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel. It's free to do, and we got more things coming up. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.